Hi and welcome to my English language course. This course is designed for all levels of English students. Hi everyone. This class will look at common idioms and phrases. Idioms can be confusing to English learners because they have a literal meaning and a figurative meaning. These are just a few of the thousands of idioms in the English language. Draw the line. The point where something is no longer acceptable. Now I draw the line at speaking in front of 34,000 people. 24/7. All the time. Constantly. My little sister irritates me 24/7. Easier said than done. Not as easy as it appears to be. You're going to paint the roof? That's easier said than done. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning you can find good in every bad situation. Even though you just got fired, remember that every cloud has a silver lining. At least you don't have to work for that grouchy boss anymore. Find a needle in a haystack, meaning that something is virtually impossible to find. Trying to get a new job these days is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Fish out of water, meaning to be out of place. Tom felt like a fish out of water at the Star Trek convention his girlfriend begged him to attend. Put your foot in your mouth. Saying something you shouldn't have. Jessica really put her foot in her mouth when she asked about John's job right after he lost it. Stick your nose into something, meaning to interfere. Sharon always sticks her nose into everybody else's business. Hang out somewhere or hang out with someone, meaning to spend leisure time with friends. I've been hanging out with Esther a lot recently. Used to or accustomed to. My sister's not used to living alone. Straight from the horse's mouth. This refers to hearing something directly from the person involved. Listen to this news straight from the horse's mouth. We're all getting bonuses this week. Get something off your chest. To talk about something that has been bothering you for a long time. To admit something that you've done wrong. I have to get this off my chest. I copied your answers in the test. Plain as day, meaning that something is obvious or clear. It's plain as day that you're in love with her, so just admit it. Get rid of something. To give or throw something away. To sell or destroy something. I brought a new television set, so I want to get rid of the old one. Hi everyone. Today's class looks at common idioms and phrases. Idioms can be confusing to English learners because they have a literal meaning and a figurative meaning. These are just a few of the thousands of idioms in the English language. Sleep on it. To think about something for a while before making a decision. Don't tell me today, sleep on it and get back to me tomorrow. Rule someone or something out. This means to eliminate someone or something. The police ruled out the man as a possible suspect. Tip of the iceberg. The small, easily visible part of a larger problem. These complaints are just the tip of the iceberg. 15 clients have left us. On the other hand, looking at the opposite side of a matter. Jamila is very intelligent, but on the other hand, she is very lazy. Open to something. To be agreeable to learn or hear about new suggestions. Most members of the class were open to the teacher's ideas. Down for the count. Unable or unwilling to participate any longer. Giving up. Jack's down for the count after having tried everything to get his business going. Look up something. To search for something in a book or online. I looked up the word in the dictionary. Life in the fast lane. A life filled with excitement. Kyle was tired of living life in the fast lane, so he retired from the band. Let the cat out of the bag. To tell a secret. Owen's surprise party is going to be great. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. We get heat waves here once in a blue moon. Butterflies in one's stomach. To be nervous. Liam had butterflies in his stomach before he went on stage to play the violin. A taste of one's own medicine. Being treated badly after treating other people badly. Lex decided to give Peyton a taste of his own medicine and turned off his phone.